Made.
Nanti pas udah tua pindah ke sini.
Ayo.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, with me, Mesha Turadia as Miss Oki Septiana Dewi.
I'm Amini Mulaidara Asira.
And me, Nurweda Kusuriha as Yasmin. And I'm Rosinor Hairo as Brian.
Okay, Zira, Yasmin, and Raya, thank you for coming to my podcast. And how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Okay, for Brian and Yasmin, this is the first time you come to my podcast, right?
That's right.
Yes. And for Zira, this is the second time you come to my podcast because the first time you come to my podcast with your husband is Mr. Amer, that's right?
Yes, that's true.
Yes, which is the first podcast in book and afternoon scenes. Okay. Now, Alhamdulillah, today Zira, Yasmin, and Brian will chat. So they are actor in the film 172 Days, and now we review about the film about this film. Okay, now to Zira first. Who is required in real life? Zira married Amer, and Amer was caught by our first. Then Zira cried at work, and her work was played in this film.
Yes, the feeling is truly unique, and Zira should know that novels are just pieces of paper to express her longing. But Amar really wants to be known by many people. He wants his name to live on. I'm just trying to keep writing books, and I don't know if there were other hands who made Amar's dreams is come true, which initially only took the form of a book, but eventually turned into a film. My feelings can be said to be very unique and very happy. I feel happy, but in other side, I feel sick too.
Okay, now to Brian and Yasmin, what made you interested to take this film? The first for the Brian is that was because the Amer is the famous person, or you like the scenario of this film?
Yes, and I, because the character of Ahmed is so extraordinary. At first, refused the offer to play the role of Ahmed because it was very difficult for me, and maybe anyone who would play the character of Ahmed would also think the same. Because I have not studied Islam as deeply as Amrul Ethan. Firstly, I thought about this offer for several days. Do I take it or not? And one of the people who confided me was Miss Hadrock and Zira. I'm sure his intentions are censored, not just for business, but because he likes the story and maybe also because Zira really want to make Amar dream come true.
Okay, for Brian, of the many scenes in this film, which scene will never forgotten for Brian's life?
The scene that made me most nervous was when I become a race and the contract. I have done a contract since before, but this made me nervous because it was witnessed by great people. It was like a real wedding ceremony. If the priest first had to be a priest whose congregation had almost 250 people.
Okay, yes, that's trying before becoming the first of your small family when you get married, right?
Yes,
Okay, now go to Yasmin. Why does Yasmin want to take this over?
Okay, if Brian knows Amir and Zira live, I really didn't know, and when I got the script, I tried to read it and was was nervous, but my heart passed me to accept the offer. Finally, I decided to accept, and I conveyed it to my manager.
Okay, of the many scenes in the film for Yasmin, which scene will never forgotten like Brian? Yasmin like.
Namely hospital, because that was not something I was good at before. There I had to explore the feeling of stress, sadness, and confusion that had to be felt. Because whether I want it or not, what I saw must be conveyed to the audience. That was the hardest scene for me.
Okay, now come back to Zira. Which scene, according to Zira, is most similar to the original or real world?
The film scenes that are the most original and very similar to the real world are the wedding scene and the scene in hospital.
Okay, now after you watching all the scenes, what was your reaction?
At the start, in the beginning of film, there was a part that reminded me of my past, such as my journey toward moving to be a better person, and it makes me cry uncontrollably.
Okay, now come back to Brian. Okay, Brian, you as an actor was to be Amir, right? So if there is Amir in front of you, so what do you think Brian would say? All of Brian work is in this film days. So for Amir who doesn't know him before.
I still believe that there was Amer interference and I was chosen to play Amer. I hope I won't disappoint and I will have time to talk beforehand. If I could only be 20% of him, I did be careful and I don't think I have ever seen anything bad about him. I hope he will be happy with what I try.
Amin. Okay, now to Yasmin. What do you want to talk to Zira?
I will say thank you to Zira. Thank you for good dance during filming and good feedback every time. I asked a question even though it was hard for Zira. And Zira is a strong figure and many people are impressed by this film.
Thank you.
Okay, so now to Zira. After all the happiness that quickly turns into sadness and become a rock, becomes a villain. So for Zira, if Amir was in front of Zira right now, what would Zira want to say to Amir?
If Bang Amir in here is now, I want to talk him. I have tried to make one of your dreams come true, Bang Amir. God willing, your name will live forever. The love you give me can still make an example of love for others. And thank you very much. Without you, maybe 172 days would not exist. And one really uses heart, emotion, and tears, and all the feelings were mixed. That's how I met him, and I say thank you very much. Without Bang Amir, there will not be Zira like this.
Okay, Masya Allah. Because this gives Zira the opportunity to live happily, and for a few months with the figure of Amir, he becomes Zira forever, right? So the last, what will Zira want to say to Yasmin and Brian?
For you too, I want to say thank you very much. I really felt the turn oil of love and on the shooting location and was definitely tired. I know that you are too very tired. And thank you for bringing Amar and Zira to life.
Okay, Allah partner is a blessing, so I'll give you the given opportunity to the God to our partner before her death. So thank you to Zira, Brian, and Yasmin for coming to my podcast and freeing up your time. Thank you so much. And don't forget to watch the film
172 days.
Hopefully this film will be a blessing for all of you. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.